Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Yeah, as you can see, we got another knife review and it's from Gerber. So please stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you what came in that package. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. It does mean the world to me that you're taking a moment of your day to watch this video. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, thank you so much for finding us. Happy you found us, hope you'll stay around a while. For you long-time viewers and you first-time guys, take a look right down here. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over that thing, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early and you ain't got to worry about it later. Alright, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the Gerber Sierra Bravo 2.0. They call this part of their Essentials line. And there's the wonderful back of the package, but we're going to get into that right now. Okay, I got this guy because honestly I really love gentlemen's blades, and my children are getting to a point where they want to start carrying some stuff. So I figured, let's find something simple, something easy, something that's not going to break the bank when something goes wrong. And I thought this fit the bill pretty damn good. Here we go with some stats. Got an overall length of 5.8 inches. The blade is 2.375. What the hell? Seriously. 2.375. Okay, Gerber. Closed, it's 3.5. And it has a teeny tiny weight of 1.9 ounces. Now, it is in a drop point style. Fine edge, which for Gerber is a little bit different, right? And they say it has a hollow grind. Okay, you know, no biggie, easy to sharpen and whatnot. The blade steel, and all I can find on that is high carbon stainless steel. So no biggie. I didn't spend a lot. I'm not expecting over the top super steels. I'm just expecting something that's going to get the job done. Now, it does have a bead blast finish, which I kind of like. Kind of looks pretty cool. And this is what kills me. So, you open it with the dual thumb studs. Okay, well, they're kind of recessed in there, so it makes it a little bit of a bear getting her open. As you saw, it does have a liner lock. Got a lanyard hole. And they say the scales are aluminum with a black coating. The frame inside is stainless steel. And as I'm sure you can figure out by now, because it doesn't have an arm and a leg cost, and you didn't see made in the US, made in Portland there, it's made in China. Alright, now for the fun part. Our usual round of will it cut? And as usual, let's start with some paper. Okay. I didn't expect a lot, but see the tearing? And yep, little blue flakes on the blade. Strap it up, should be okay. Alright, paracord. Simple pull test. Went through it. Alright, slice test. Huh. And our friend, who's coming to the end of his life, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Wow. That's not inspiring confidence. Took me 3 tries to get through that. Weird. I'll have to clean that blade up. No biggie. Okay, as we usually do, we took a look at our 3 favorite areas. Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it's going to run you $15.95. As of 3/9/19 on Gerber, it was 23 bucks, and it was currently out of stock. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, sorry, a little bit of jimping on the back. And on Amazon, $11.87 with free shipping. On Blade HQ, it's rated 2 out of 5 stars with 1 review. Gerber, and I don't trust their freaking ratings at all, ever. I don't. It's been plain as day why on my channel, so sorry, I'm not going to go into it again. 4 out of 5 stars. And over on Amazon, 3.5 out of 5 with 13 different reviews. But here's the important part of the video. I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, everything, man, down below in the comments section. We're going to have a good little discussion on this one. And I mean, like I said, I got this just simply because my kids are interested in starting to carry and starting to sharpen, and I'm going to get something inexpensive for them and not a $5 Ozark Trail. Yes, I have brand loyalty to Gerber because I lived in Oregon forever and a day. Okay, guys. So here's the fun wrap-up part. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much once again for viewing this video. It means the world to me that you invested your time in my channel, and we're very, very flattered that you chose us. Now, for you first-timers and you long-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, right down there. Going to be a big old channel logo popping up here in a second or two. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you subscribe, go ahead and click that bell icon. Why? Because it's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick tabletop look, as we usually do, at the Gerber SB 2.5. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.